Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqviz here from the Moonlight International Publishers. My sweet students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing well. Our today's lesson is about number 12. Today, first of all, we will count, identify and then write number 12. How to count it? What is this? Wow! These are almonds. How many almonds? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 almonds? Look over here. It's 10 rupee note. How many coins? Yes, exactly 2 coins. 10, 11, 12. 10 and 2, 12. 10 and 2, 12. Oh, what number am I? I am a number with 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. I am number 12. I am number 12. How to write it now? Start from the red dot, come straight down. It will make number 1. Make a cap, slant down, sleeping line. It will make number 2. So, 10 and 2, 12. 10 and 2, 12. Okay, it's story time. Look over here. Wow, 12 almonds were in plates. The plates were on the table. The almonds were waiting for you to enjoy them. So, we will eat and enjoy. I hope so you enjoyed a lot and you will learn number 12. Thank you very much, Allah Hafiz.